Hello everyone, this is Shivam in front of you. Today I am giving answer of your question. So start your question.
Okay, where you belong? From where you belong?
Where do you
Na-
belong to?
Where do you belong to?
I belongs to a village named Dunaya near Nawabganj district Farrukhabad. But now I live in Mathura at Army camp.
Okay, what is famous in Farrukhabad?
Farrukhabad famous for namkeen.
Only something.
Yeah,
What is the main reason to come here?
only for learning English.
Only for learning English.
Yeah,
From
You
Farrukhabad
will
you
not
came to
find-
Mathura. From Farrukhabad you came to Mathura only for learning English.
yeah. In Mathura,
For
sorry,
study.
in Farrukhabad, more institute of English coaching. But in Mathura, my uncle live, so he suggest me, you come with me and join a coaching.
Okay, your uncle lives in Mathura.
Yeah,
Okay, what you do?
he do
What does he do?
What did she do?
he do
He
job.
does.
He does a job in army field.
What does you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Now I am learning English and pursuing 11th.
So you don't go school?
Yeah, after complete.
क्वेश्चन पूछते तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले लगा के पूछो.
Do you go to school?
Do you go to school?
Now not, but after complete this coaching, I go to place and join school.
Okay, so do you have LMC?
No,
6 months.
only 3 months.
So why do you want to learn English?
For get a better job, and I saw if and many interview in English, so I join.
English is required.
English is required in interviews.
So what is your aim?
I want to become a army officer.
Okay, army officer. As you think anything about army officer? How do we can become?
I go through, crack the NDA exam.
I will.
I will go through the crack NDA exam. NDA exam.
Okay, so do you know what is the criteria to be an ND officer?
Yeah. After completing your 12th and your
Then after
complete your age, I hope half 17
So how
years.
many exams are there?
There are two exam. First, there are only one exam for written and a second exam of interview.
Okay, which subject you are
But
having in
I-
11th?
But I heard there are 2 exams.
Yeah, there are two exam. First online, like written, and second interview exam.
No, apart from interview, there are 2 exams.
No.
Because my friend also
There is no two exam,
doing,
but
means my friend also preparation this exam.
But I don't know.
Was preparing for this exam.
And
Medical?
not medical. One exam is related to math, and second is all like GS, all
Yeah, but it is the same day.
it is the
same
same
day,
and
but
same-
exam are 2.
Exam
are-
also one,
Yeah.
but there are
They have 2 sector.
there is a divided by two parts.
No.
Okay, which subject you are having in 11th?
I have PCM and Hindi English.
Okay,
Which is
you
your
are-
favorite subject?
Math.
How many marks do you get in? Did you get in 10th class in mathematics?
I got marks in math in 10th class 97
Good.
out of 100.
In India, why people run after of English?
According to me, many foreigners comes in India and they don't talk very well, so we decide to learn English.
Have you ever visited Vrindavan? Visited.
No.
And
Okay, how you feel in Mathura? After coming from Farrukhabad, how you feel in Mathura?
I feel very best. I felt very best in Mathura because his culture and
his name, its
culture and nature is very good.
Where do you live in Mathura? Where do you live in Mathura?
In RTC.
How long have you been to coming here? How long have you been to coming here?
For 2 months.
So according to you, Mathura is good or
For
your Hometown is good.
According to me, both are good, but compare my district is best for
Why?
me.
Waste yeah.
Better
Why your
than,
district is best than Mathura?
because I live in Farrukhabad and my birthplace Farrukhabad. So
So it is good.
yeah, but its culture very good.
And
So
what is
Mathura
the
culture
main
is
reason
good,
behind
bad?
all that? What is the main reason behind all that? Then you can say that Farrukhabad is better than Mathura.
On what basis could you say that? As a group, on what basis?
On what basis could you say that?
In Mathura, the population is very high, and compared to Farrukhabad,
As compared
to Farrukhabad, and many traffic line in Mathura, but Farrukhabad few.
Because this is the holy place.
Yeah.
And the many tourists come here to visit. That's why you say that there is a
You said
traffic.
that.
You said that there is a traffic and the.
But many traffic, but here is no high security. If any fair like, if any fair, sorry,
if any fair is held,
yes, if any function like Janmashtami and many,
Holi.
yeah, many holy, yes, holy, then then many tourists comes here, and then many accident happen.
Which type of?
So you think security is not high? So you think
Yeah.
Mathura security is not high?
Yeah,
What kind of accident did you watch?
for high population, then many people.
Population
Die.
is the reason behind the tourist place. It is not. It is not the cause of Mathura.
For resolving that problem, that you saying that there is a new auditorium are built in Vrindavan.
So what type of security should be there according to you?
Like when any functions
Yes.
like Holi and Janmashtami, then control the people for no run away and
Yes,
celebrate.
security is there.
The security
Yeah,
is
this
also
type
there.
of
But
security is
And
there.
he controlled
Every
also.
year I saw every year this type incident happened.
If you talk about security, then if you go for Vrindavan in the weekends, then you will not able to getting inside of Vrindavan by your cars. Then but still you say that there is no security. You will not able to get into the Vrindavan.
Crossing them.
Power Baba.
Every crossing.
At Power Baba.
Every crossing there is a police
Yeah.
station
Yeah.
in Vrindavan. So what type of security you want?
I want
You want
You
the
want
security.
like Modi?
Yeah.
Police also there, but
No,
don't
In
go
Janam movie
anywhere.
also many security is there.
Yeah.
You see,
They have
State Bank,
proper knowledge.
nothing is there. Rule regulation is not there. Even policeman doesn't know what is the rule and regulation of a person of police.
Crossing.
Yeah. They also
But they are-
open everything like
Yeah.
But their police is there on State Bank.
Only police.
Police,
Yeah.
police only there,
Yeah.
only for name.
But they not use rule and regulation.
What kind of rule they break here at State Bank Chowra? What kind of rule they break?
So which city is
You say that
developed? Which city is developed? Farrukhabad and Mathura.
Mathura.
How?
Yeah.
On which basis?
But now Farrukhabad developing. Developing. But
Okay, so what does your father do?
my father is a farmer and Kathawachak. I can say he is all-rounder.
All rounder?
Yeah.
He does many things. He's multitasking.
Yeah. My father
What
used
type
to
of-
teaching and
Okay. What type of farming grows in your area?
all types farming.
All
He
type
does.
is there any
He does
special?
pura pura. He does.
He does My father, yeah, in Farrukhabad area.
Farrukhabad area.
They does all types farming. They do all types farming.
No, all types of farmings are not available everywhere. So something special is there.
Something like in Farrukhabad, sugarcane grow and pulses and mustard and like wheat, rice. These
Okay,
types.
Which
And
for growing,
potato,
they are growing in Farrukhabad. Soil best
Mostly
for
which
what?
crop?
Mostly potato because
Potato.
potato because the Asia's biggest
Mandi.
situated in
Farrukhabad.
Banana
Farrukhabad.
market.
Very
So here are huge amount of crop.